Hi everyone, Jay here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create an automated sales funnel for free in just seconds with no experience needed. What you're looking at right now is a tool I created, and it's called instantsalesfunnels.com, and it's on the website instantsalesfunnels.com. The link will be directly below in the video description box for your convenience. Now I'm going to show you how this works, show you how to use it in as quick and painless as possible. And then you can come on over and check this out for yourself. And if you have any questions about it, shoot me a comment in the comments section. I'll be glad to answer them for you. So with that being said, let's dive in here. What this tool is going to do is it's going to create an email for you. It's going to create a storytelling email. And it could be about pretty much anything. It was specifically designed for affiliate marketers, but anyone can use it and create great emails that people want to read. They're going to interact with, and you're going to get them to click on the link of whatever it is you're promoting. In this case, I'm going to be showing you an affiliate product on the ClickBank Marketplace, and we're using Mytelin as an example, since it's the hottest seller right now in the health and fitness category. What we're going to do is click promote. I'm going to put in my affiliate nickname, come up with a link, and we're going to copy that. And there's our link. We're going to go back over here. I've already got everything filled out to speed this process up a little bit. So what you're going to do is enter your affiliate program details, hit submit, and watch your output appear below. So what I got in there real quick, and we're going to paste our affiliate link here. And obviously you're going to probably want something a little cleaner looking than this, so use a URL. Cloak your affiliate links, or use a URL shortener to make it look a little prettier, but you don't have to. So in the product name and details, I just put something real easy. We need to promote Mytelin by telling the benefits, ingredients, and results using this product. Pasting my affiliate link in. The email goal, kept it real simple: to educate, sell, and inform. And what we're going to do is click submit. And we're going to watch it magically appear here in a few seconds. And then I'm going to read, here it is right here. Subject: unlock your best self with Mytelin, a story of transformation. Decent headline, could be better. You want to grab better, and you want to actually create a whole 7-day email sequence similar to what you're seeing here. Go on up here, steal this Done For You Profit Funnel free software. You can grab that. There's also a free masterclass where you're going to get free 52 Done For You funnels, earn in 15 minutes. That's going to be on the site too, up top here. But check these out. These top 2 links. So let's read this here. And it says, "Dear name, whoever your email subscriber is, let me take you on a little journey, a journey that can change your life forever. Imagine waking up each morning feeling invigorated and ready to conquer the day. You spring out of bed, your mind sharp, your body energized, and your spirit soaring. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, for countless individuals, this dream has become a reality thanks to a remarkable product called Mytelin. Now you might be wondering, what is Mytelin? Let me tell you a story. Meet Sarah. A few months ago, she was just like many of us, tired, stressed, and struggling to keep up with the demands of daily life. She often felt like she was running on empty, and her energy levels were at an all-time low. One day, while scrolling through social media, she stumbled upon Mytelin, a natural supplement that promised to boost energy, enhance focus, and improve overall well-being. Now, I'm not going to read this whole thing, but it goes into a little story. It's got your affiliate link down here. Obviously, you want to hyperlink the affiliate link. But other than that, it's all done. All you got to do is copy and paste it and put this over into your email, your favorite email autoresponder, and you're ready to go. And you come back here and use it over and over again and create a whole sequence of emails for whatever product, service, whatever your business is. It could be anything. You can use this to get great results. But it's a really nice tool, real handy. And it'll speed things up for you. You don't got to go over to, ChatGPT and put a custom code in. This is built with a custom code in it to give you the very best output. So I built this to save people time. And what we're going to do when we're done with this, like I said, go over and paste it to your favorite autoresponder, come back, do it all over again. And you can, it depends how many emails you want to create for your sequence, but you can do it as many times as you want. If you want to speed it up, click this right here, and you can grab a bunch of cool freebies. And this is going to come up with a 7-day version of that, where it's going to create 7 days worth for you to speed that up a little bit. Or you can come back here, obviously, and use this and do them individually. So whatever way you want to do it is fine with me. So that's it. This is called InstantSalesFunnel.com. Creates great storytelling emails in seconds. So that's all it is. Enter your product name and details, affiliate link, email goal, and you're going to get. And if you want the headline generator, it comes out a little better headlines. I forgot to mention that. That's up here as well. That's included with this. But that's it. Basically in seconds, a few minutes basically, you come on over here, enter any affiliate program, and have it shoot out excellent storytelling emails that people want to read and interact with. So they're not too salesy, but then they'll sell the product at the same time, which is what you want. So thanks for watching this video. If you got any questions about it, come on over and mess around with it. Let me know what you think. And if you have any questions about it, shoot me a comment in the comments section. I want to thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the subscribe button if for any other video updates you want to see from my channel. I'd appreciate that. And thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.